notice how some people really seem to get LinkedIn and other people just kind of blend in?
Hi, this is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing, and I want to help your audience to get a bigger slice of that LinkedIn pie. As a national presenter, I help audiences to use LinkedIn more effectively. I know that it's hard to retain a lot of the information we see at conferences and events, right? That's why I use the PIE acronym, and I explain to people that I can help them to get a bigger slice of the LinkedIn pie. The P stands for profile optimization. I'll show you some quick hit tips on getting more effectiveness to create a magnet, if you will, to bring more of those right people to your profile. The I in the PIE acronym stands for invitation strategy. Now there's a right way and a wrong way to build new connections on LinkedIn, and often what people do is after they connect, we connect and forget. I'll teach you strategies to start some natural dialogue and get some conversations started to lead to new business. And finally, the E. The E stands for engage your network, and we do that through a variety of activities, both by engaging with others in our homepage feed as well as by posting. You're looking for not just any presenter, but one that's going to make a memorable, lasting impact on your audience. One that's going to make people feel like, wow, I'm glad I attended that conference, right? My name is Brenda Meller, and I am a LinkedIn coach and a national presenter, and I'm so glad that you found me. Ready to get started? Great. Go ahead and fill out the form below, and let's schedule a discovery call where we can discuss your upcoming event.